SmartTub Kit Installation Tutorial. First, turn off the spa power. Next, open the access panel and locate the old SmartTub module with the blue label. The SmartTub module may still have LEDs on. Disconnect the connectors from the old module. Press the clip and disconnect the power and data connector. Then press the clip and disconnect the energy measurement clamp. Unscrew and remove the module. Be sure to keep both screws, as you'll need them to install the new unit. Now, connect the new SmartTub module with the white label. Screw the module into place with the face rotated 90 degrees so the S of SmartTub is on top. Connect the energy measurement clamp. Then connect the power and data cable. Close the access panel. Turn the spa power back on and check that the top side controls are working. Next, launch the SmartTub app and log in. Locate the Pair LTE device button. You can find it on the Manage tab by selecting the arrow and choosing My Tubs, or on the SmartTub LTE notification screen. Scan the barcode on the new SmartTub module or manually enter the barcode beginning with P054. Once your SmartTub unit is paired, log back in to unlock all the features in the SmartTub app. Use the SmartTub app to control the jets, lights, and target temperature. Finally, dispose of the old SmartTub module using the proper e-waste recycling.